Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. First of all, you need to go into Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click on this theme, name it and tap OK Creative. Then you need to close the nut and customize your edges however you want to. You can change run style, add pattern, select animation speed, border size, and even adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your wallpaper, you can pick one of these sources like photos. Then select a photo by clicking on the chosen one, adjust it and click at the top right corner. Now choose create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose enable wallpaper, click set wallpaper and decide if you want to see your edges on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the available options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to enable overlay other app. Then tap yes. Click on the switcher next to edges app, so it will be that one. Go back and click at the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!